The death of a pet dog is a sensitive subject. All grief is sensitive and deeply personal. If you've recently lost your dog, or even if it's been a while, but the grief is still hitting hard, this video is for you. Losing a dog is a very particular kind of heartbreak. They're not just pets, they're family. They're with us through everything, offering this constant, quiet, unconditional love that's hard to explain to anyone who hasn't experienced it. There's something about the way that a dog looks at us as though they see right into our soul. They know when we need extra comfort and how they hold that space of unconditional love. How wonderful it feels to be greeted at the end of the day when we come to the door. We spend so much time with our dog. They're at our feet, maybe they're in our beds. It may be like they're our shadow, following us from room to room. And when we don't have that anymore, the loss of that is loud. My name is Lisa Reardon, and I am a certified EFT practitioner in clinical and quantum EFT. I've specialised in training in grief and recovery. I wanted to do a series of EFT tapping videos to support people who are experiencing grief. And I haven't forgotten that people who have lost other pets. So I will be doing other videos to help people with that. In this video, we're going to be using EFT tapping to create a little space around the grief. It's not to get rid of the grief, but it's to honour what it is that you're going through and to help your nervous system just breathe a little. This is to acknowledge just how much love there was and still is, and how much it hurts now that they're gone. Before we begin, I just want you to tune into your body, into your emotional body, into your physical body, and just notice what you're feeling. And holding that in mind, I'm going to get you to tap along with me, and I'll guide you through the tapping points. Just bring your honest feelings and be exactly here as you are. Let's begin. So tapping on the side of the hand, and repeat these 3 phrases after me to start with. Even though I miss my dog so deeply, I'm honouring the love that we shared and allowing myself to grieve. Even though they were always there for me, and now they're gone, I accept myself and how hard this is right now. Even though their unconditional love held me together through hard times, and I'm hurting so much, I'm letting myself feel what I feel. Top of head. I miss my dog so much. I didn't just lose a dog, I lost my best friend. Their love was constant. They didn't judge me, they just loved me. The house is so quiet now. No more sounds of their paws pattering. I look at their food bowl and their empty bed, and it hurts. I just want to smell them and hug them and kiss them one more time. I've never missed anything as much as I'm missing my dog. I loved the way they would greet me, with their tail wagging, always pleased to see me. Or we would just sit on the couch together. Such a big personality. And that look in their eyes, that would always melt my heart. They were trying to get more treats. It was so hard to resist that. We've been through a lot together. They loved me at my best and at my worst. We were family, and losing family hurts. I'm feeling all this grief. My grief is valid. I honor how hard this is right now. I'm just going to allow that this is what I'm feeling right now. I'm not trying to change it. All of this grief, I'm feeling it in my body. Sometimes I expect to hear their paws or to feel them beside me. And then I remember that they're not here, and it hits me all over again. I miss our routine. Some days I can talk about them and smile, and other days I just cry. This is what grief does. It moves like waves, and I'm riding this as best I can. I'm allowed to feel this. I'm glad that we had our time together. They were my safe space. They just knew when I needed comfort. They taught me about loyalty, being present, and then the joy in the little things. That kind of love is rare. Even in my grief, I'm grateful for what we shared. I can honor them by remembering that love. Sometimes I talk to them and I can imagine that they can hear me. They may be gone from sight, but their love remains in my heart. They were here for a reason, and I was lucky to be their person. Even if it hurts now, I wouldn't trade that love for anything. Their life may have been short, but boy, they impacted me. I can still feel them in the quiet moments. The way that they made me feel safe and loved. I carry their lessons with me to live simply, love fully, and greet the day with joy. I honor them by being kind to others and to myself. Their love has changed me, and it's healed parts of me. And I'm going to carry that love with me always. Nothing can take that away. They're going to be part of my heart forever. I'm glad that we got to be together. And I'm going to keep on talking to them as if they can hear me. They're going to be part of my family forever. And I'm so grateful for the time that we had. Taking a deep breath in through your nose and out through your nose. And I just want to honor you for what you've done right now, is to take some time for yourself as you're feeling whatever you're feeling, and honoring whatever is there without trying to fix it or change it, but just letting your nervous system know that it's okay to feel what you're feeling. For any of you who have maybe children and you're helping them get through their own grief of losing a pet, please do feel free to share this with them as well, or anyone else that you know is grieving the loss of their dog. I will be uploading other videos to do with grief, so do subscribe, and do know that it's important to connect with others who really understand what you're going through. There's no timeline for this. It's just about honouring wherever you are. And I want you to know that you're not alone as you're going through this difficult chapter in your life. I wish you well.